Welcome back to All Things DFW, where we explore what it's really like to live, work, and play across North Texas. I'm Matthew Soto, and this is episode 2 of our Garland, Texas series. Last time we explored Garland's neighborhoods, those quiet, tree-lined streets and welcoming communities that make this city feel like home. Today, we're heading straight into the heart of Garland, where local businesses, food, and culture come together. Downtown Garland and Firewheel Town Center. Downtown Garland has gone through a complete transformation, anchored by the newly renovated Garland Town Square, a vibrant gathering spot that's become the center of community life. Here you'll find open lawns and a stage that hosts live concerts, movie nights, markets, and festivals throughout the year. From summer evenings filled with local music to the winter holiday events that light up the square, this is where community comes together. And it's surrounded by small businesses that give downtown Garland its heartbeat. There's Intrinsic Smokehouse and Brewery, serving up Texas-style barbecue and craft beer, Rosalind Coffee, a local hangout for creatives and families, and Fish and Tales, a community favorite known for fresh seafood and friendly service. Add in the boutiques, art studios, and vintage shops, and you've got a downtown that feels authentically local. Just steps away from the square sits one of Garland's newest and most symbolic landmarks, the giant cowboy hat sculpture honoring Hatco Inc., the maker of the world-famous Stetson hats. Hatco has called Garland home since 1938, producing some of the most iconic hats in Western history. And in 2013, the Texas legislature officially designated Garland as the cowboy hat capital of Texas. That sculpture isn't just a photo spot, it's a tribute to decades of craftsmanship, pride, and the hard-working spirit that has built this city. Now, if downtown Garland is the city's heart, Firewheel Town Center is its energy. Located on the north side of town, Firewheel is an open-air shopping and entertainment district packed with local restaurants, boutiques, and big-name stores. You'll find Dillard's, Macy's, AMC Theaters, Dick's Sporting Goods, and a great lineup of dining spots like Gloria's, Christina's Mexican Restaurant, and Razoo's Cajun Cafe. It's where families spend their weekends, couples grab dinner and a movie, and everyone finds something to do, day or night. What's special about Garland's business scene is how connected it feels. You can grab coffee downtown in the morning, shop or catch a movie at Firewheel in the afternoon, then finish your day with dinner at the lake, all within minutes of home. It's convenient, it's local, and it's full of life. Now, next time, we're taking you outdoors. In episode 3, we'll explore Garland's parks and recreation, from lakefront views at Windsurf Bay Park to Spring Creek Forest Preserve's hidden trails, and the soon-to-be newly renovated Surf and Swim Water Park, coming back better than ever. Because in Garland, life isn't just about where you live, it's about how you live. Garland's story keeps evolving, from cowboy hats to community growth, from local roots to modern revival. Now, I'm Matthew Soto, and this is All Things DFW. Be sure to like, subscribe, and share this with a friend, and we'll see you in the next episode.